Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the best natural remedies for toenail fungus. If you're struggling with this common issue and looking for effective and natural solutions, you've come to the right place. We'll explore some readily available natural ingredients that have been found to combat toenail fungus effectively. Let's start with a fan favorite, tea tree oil. This essential oil is derived from the leaves of the tea tree native to Australia and is renowned for its potent antifungal properties. For toenail fungus, tea tree oil works by penetrating the nail plate and getting to the root of the problem. Now, how to use it? It's pretty straightforward. Start by cleaning the affected area with soap and water, ensuring it's completely dry. Then, apply a few drops of pure tea tree oil directly to the affected nail using a cotton swab or a dropper. Gently massage the oil onto the nail surface, the surrounding skin, and the cuticle. It's best to do this twice a day, once in the morning and once at night for optimal results. Consistency is key with tea tree oil. While some people may notice improvements within a few weeks, it's generally recommended to continue treatment for several months. Just a quick tip: tea tree oil can sometimes cause skin irritation or allergic reactions in some individuals. It's always a good idea to do a patch test on a small area of your skin before applying it directly to the affected nail. Next up, we have a household staple with a surprising use: Vicks VapoRub. Its active ingredients, camphor and eucalyptus oil, possess antifungal properties that can be beneficial for treating toenail fungus. To use Vicks VapoRub for toenail fungus, start by washing and drying your feet thoroughly. Then, take a small amount of Vicks VapoRub, about the size of a pea, and apply it directly to the affected nail. Massage it gently for a few minutes to ensure even coverage. It's best to do this once or twice a day, preferably after showering or bathing when your nails are softer and more receptive to treatment. While Vicks VapoRub is generally safe for topical use, it's essential to avoid getting it in your eyes, nose, or mouth. Remember that Vicks VapoRub is not a cure for toenail fungus, but can help manage the symptoms. If you experience any burning or irritation, discontinue use and consult with a healthcare professional. Now let's explore the power of oregano oil, a potent essential oil extracted from the oregano plant. The key component responsible for oregano oil's antifungal activity is carvacrol. Studies have shown that carvacrol can effectively inhibit the growth of various fungal strains, including those that commonly cause toenail fungus. However, it's crucial to remember that oregano oil is highly concentrated and can irritate the skin if applied directly. Therefore, it's essential to dilute it with a carrier oil before applying it to your nails. To use oregano oil for toenail fungus, mix a few drops of oregano oil with a tablespoon of carrier oil such as coconut oil, olive oil, or jojoba oil. Once mixed, apply a small amount of this diluted solution to the affected nail and the surrounding skin. Gently massage it for a few minutes to allow the oil to penetrate the nail plate. Repeat this process twice daily for best results. While oregano oil is generally safe for topical use when diluted, it's always best to do a patch test on a small area of your skin before applying it to a larger area. Let's move on to a kitchen staple with surprising medicinal benefits: garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is responsible for its characteristic aroma and its antifungal prowess. Allicin works by disrupting the growth and replication of fungal cells, making it an effective natural remedy for toenail fungus. You can harness the power of garlic in two ways: topical application or a garlic foot soak. For topical application, crush a few cloves of garlic to create a paste. Apply this paste directly to the affected nail and secure it with a bandage. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight. Alternatively, you can prepare a garlic foot soak by adding a few crushed garlic cloves to a basin of warm water. Soak your feet in this solution for 15 to 20 minutes daily. While garlic is generally safe for most people, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects like skin irritation. Finally, let's talk about apple cider vinegar, a pantry staple with a wide range of uses, including its potential benefits for treating toenail fungus. This vinegar's acidic nature helps create an environment that is inhospitable to fungal growth. To use apple cider vinegar for toenail fungus, you'll need to prepare a foot soak. Fill a basin with warm water and add 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. Soak your feet in this solution for 20 to 30 minutes daily. You can also add a few drops of tea tree oil or other essential oils with antifungal properties to enhance the effectiveness of the soak. After soaking, pat your feet dry with a clean towel, paying special attention to the areas between your toes. Moisture trapped between the toes can create a breeding ground for fungus, so it's crucial to keep these areas dry. Apple cider vinegar is generally safe for topical use, but it's essential to dilute it with water before applying it to your skin. Undiluted apple cider vinegar can be too acidic and may cause skin irritation. Thanks for watching. If you found these remedies helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Remember, while natural remedies can be effective, it's essential to consult with your doctor or a healthcare professional for personalized advice. See you next time.